Now we have our mail merge setup. Let's look at 3 tools within the mail merge. The first one is the Find Recipient tool. So we're still in the Mailings tab in the Preview Results section. So if I preview my results, remember the names come. Let's say I'm looking for Ian. So I can say Find Recipients, find the word Ian. So find next, and there we come to Ian's page. And right from here, I can actually print this document and to only print Ian's page. Let's go back into preview. I can also edit the list, the recipient list. So if I go to edit recipient list, I'll have all the recipient information up here. And I can say, don't send any message to Kennedy Muller. And then the mail merge will no longer contain his name. Within this section also, we can sort data. You can sort data, maybe you can sort by parent name, or we can sort by balance due. Okay, it has sorted our recipients by that. We can also find and remove duplicates. And here also, we can also find recipients. If we are connected to an address server, we can validate addresses in the US and the UK. In VBA, later on, we'll learn how to validate addresses internationally. Once we click OK and preview, now you see Kennedy is the first name because he has the lowest, the highest balance. Remember, we sorted by balance. The third thing we need to look at is what we call rules. And rules are sort of like little programming snippets that allow us to segregate our lists. So let's look at rules within the write and insert field section, rules. So we can ask a question, we can fill in, we can use an if-then statement. So let's look at the if-then statement. Here we can say, if the balance due is less than $500, then insert this text into the document. So we can actually insert dynamic text into the document and have everybody receive a different document based on the criteria. Look into this and let us know if you have any problems.